Wanna know how to log out of your account in Splice? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, open up splice.com on your favorite website. And once you're there, make sure you are logged in. Now, on the top right corner, here you can see your profile. Simply click on it once, and there are various options such as viewing your profile, billing, plans, settings, and so much more. Now, you don't need to click all of these at all. To log out, on the bottom right here you can see this logout button. Just simply click on it. After you've done it once, that's it. You have been easily logged out from Splice. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.